Rainbow Universal School channel. Today we will learn about Posdcorb. What is Posdcorb? Postcorb is an acronym which means planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting, which was first coined in a paper on administrative management that was written. Postcorb can be used as systematic framework for eventually executing business process in a company or by an individual. Postcorb in Postcorb there are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. Now let's have more detail. One, planning. This essentially refers to establishing a board structure of the work to be completed and the production encrypted to implement them. Two, organizing. Organizing involves formally classifying, defining, and the various sub-process or subdivision of the work to be done. 3. Staffing. This involves selecting the right candidates for the job and facilitating their training while maintaining a favorable work environment. 4. Directing. This entails decision making and delegating structured instruction and orders to execute them. 5. Coordinating. This basically refers to interlinking the various components of the work. 6. Reporting. Reporting involves regularly updating the superior about the process or the work related activities. The information dissemination can be through records. 7. Budgeting. Budgeting involves all the activities that under auditing, accounting, financial planning, and control. Postcorb. If I say in a simpler language, so in planning we should do, if we are starting any work, so we'll plan that how to do, what we'll do in, and etc. After that we'll organize the things what we need in that work, and after that we'll keep some staff for some experts or some peoples on our work so that they can do the work and we'll get more help. After that we'll direct those staff to do this, to do that, etc. After that we'll coordinate with them if they need anything or they need any help, so we'll keep in coordinate with them. After that, report. If you are not able to go every time there on your work, so you can just this you can keep some of one staff for the report, and they'll give you report every day or every month. And then whatever money you spend, you can keep a budget list so that no one can misuse your money. So this much for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.